Hey everybody, welcome to the Delivery Driver Pit Stop. My name is Michael. I am your host, or I'm going to key a new phrase today. Remember GrubHub trademark? I am your pandemically plump host.
Will you shut up, man?
Listen. Right? Anyway, I hope everybody is having a great April out there. I should have said my name is Big Daddy Wags, which I like better, but Michael's fine. Anyway, I hope, again, everybody's having a great April out there. I've been semi-AFK for a while. Just kicking it, taking care of my animals, doing my life business. I got my second COVID shot 3 weeks ago, so I'm in the clear, I hope. Cross your fingers. Hope everybody's staying healthy out there, and if you believe in vaccines, or I hope you're out there getting your COVID shot, and if you don't believe in vaccines, do what you got to do. It's a free country, at least where I'm broadcasting from, so do whatever you got to do. Anyway, I wanted to do a video today because I have some good news. Tomorrow, April 15th, which is usually the dreaded tax day, has been changed. So with all the bad stuff that COVID has ushered in, a bit of good news. But before I state the bit of good news, I just want to clearly say I am not a tax pro. I am not giving tax advice or information. If you need your taxes, if you need your tax whatever, you need to seek out a professional. Now that I got that out of the way, tax day is no longer this year only, April 15th. The government, the IRS, has moved tax day to Monday, May, drumroll, 17th. So if all you independent contractors out there that dread days like this, such as myself, because most of the time we end up paying, or at least I do, we get another month and 2 days of a reprieve for another month, which is a great thing. It gives you more time to get all your paperwork together if you haven't got it together. Find any write-off that you can write off, because as an independent contractor, I'm a writing off mofo. I don't know about you guys, but if I could find something to write off, I am writing it off. Legally, of course. Anyway, so I've had people comment to me and ask me about how they write off or how they take into account the mileage and gas write-offs. I use the program called TripLog to keep track of my mileage, and it also keeps track of my gasoline and the gasoline tax here in California. It's a biznatch. It's terrible. I saw a funny meme a few days ago. It says a friend of mine called the cops, and when the cops answered, he said, "Hello, police, 911. I'm being robbed." And the 911 operator says that you're being robbed. Can you describe it? Yeah, I'm in front of pump number 8 at the gas station. Drum roll. I should drum roll with that. Anyway, but California, we last time I paid last week $4.34 a gallon for gasoline. So it's tough. So you need to write off as much as you can. When it comes to gas, you need to write off your mileage, keep track of your mileage. However, some people, like myself, the personal exemption that you have, the personal exemption you have every year is usually, for me, higher than the combined write-off for my mileage and my gasoline tax. Your mileage may vary, and literally and figuratively. Some people who do this crazy full-time will have a higher write-off rather than your personal yearly exemption. The best way that I do it, everybody does their taxes differently. Some people have tax friends, tax family. They take them to using different apps to file taxes. Now, this is my personal favorite, okay, is TurboTax Self-Employed. It's very simple for me. It doesn't mean it's going to be simple for you, but it should be fairly simple for you too. It's written in a way, it asks questions in a way that makes it very easy to understand and to file your taxes. The TurboTax Self-Employed, it asks you about your mileage. Then it determines if your personal exemption is higher than your mileage taken, etc., etc. Right now, if you're a driver, I know some of the apps like Uber Eats, I believe, and maybe I think it's Lyft. Who knows? But they're offering specials where the TurboTax, self-employed is like $59.99, and it includes them filing for your state and federally electronically, which makes it handy. I personally, I like to send in. I'm old school. I like to write on an envelope. I like to snail mail, put a stamp on it, and send mine in, because if I'm not getting any money back, which I rarely get back, the IRS can wait for my taxes. You know what I'm saying? Can I get an amen out there, everybody? Anybody that owes taxes? Who wants to file electronically? Because if you file electronically, they're going to come after you faster. They're going to ask for their taxes from you faster. So, I make them wait as long as possible. But I digress. Anyway, again, great news. If you're about to file your taxes tomorrow, the IRS has given us a reprieve until Monday, May 17th. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Anyway, I hope, again, everybody is having a good April out there. I hope everybody's been staying safe and healthy. I'm a little pandemically plump. I've gained a few pounds because I've been a bit docile during this pandemic. I am going to be, if I get enough money from my YouTube videos, which has been not good. Anyway, I'm trying to save up for a mountain bike. I want to get me a mountain bike, and I'm going to get one of those little pool trolleys on the back. I'm going to throw both of my dogs in there. Unfortunately, Stuart, my pig, is a bit too big to put in his fat ass in that little pull along. So I'm going to get me a mountain bike and start exercising more. I think that's about it. Hope everybody, again, for the third or fourth or fifth time, it's had a great April. I, again, will release videos as I see fit that I find of value. I'm not just going to release a video every day for shits and giggles. I value your time, and because your time is valuable, I want to make sure when you watch me, you get the most out of it. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you find my channel helpful. My Amazon Flex tutorial video is still been going crazy. I'm at almost 40,000 views now. 40,000 views in just over a year. That is awesome. Thank you, everybody. Over 500 thumbs up on that. So if anybody's interested in doing Amazon Flex, the Amazon Flex tutorial I have, even though it was done a couple years ago, is still relevant today, even with the pandemic. It gives you the instructions for the warehouse might be different due to COVID, but how I deliver, how I pack my car, that's still all relevant. So if you're interested in Amazon Flex, give that video a watch and a thumbs up. And if you have any questions on Amazon Flex, leave a comment, or you can private PM me or email me at I don't even know what it. ddpitstop@gmail.com. I know for a minute there I forgot my Gmail address. That's what happens when you get old. Anyway, dad bods, more power to the dad bod out there, anybody? Pandemically plump females out there, all you ladies out there, are you pandemically plump? I bet a lot of you are. I bet a lot of men are. Hey, you got to die of something, so die of a little chunkiness is not a big deal. Anyway, have a great time. We will see you next. Oh, make sure you follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, the three evils of society. Has to be done. Anyway, we will see you next time. Stay safe. Go get your shot if you need to. If you don't need to get a shot, or if you don't want a shot, stay healthy. socially distance, wear that face mask if you have to. We will see you next time, hopefully sooner next time. We will see you next time on the Delivery Driver Pit Stop, everybody. Bye-bye. Take care.